Today I'm going to show you how you can memorize all the 1025 Pokemons. There's 9 generations in total, starting with Gen 1, which has 151 Pokemons, that's Kanto region. Then we have Johto, which is 100 Pokemons, Hoenn, 156, and so on and so on. Okay, so there's Gen 4, Sinnoh, Gen 5, Unova, Black Bolt and White Flare is based on Unova region. Gen 6 Kalos, Gen 7 Alola, Gen 8 Galar, and then Gen 9 Paldea. So in total 1025 Pokemons, starting from Pokedex number 1 Bulbasaur to Petulant, which is 1025th Pokemon. So what I do over here when I'm memorizing is I try to memorize an image as opposed to the word itself. So if you have an image that's attached to a number and then you mix that image with the Pokemon in question, that will then allow you to memorize and keep the memory a bit longer compared to just brute forcing and learning the image. For example, let's start with 1. Okay, I'm going to go through the entire list. Starting with 1. The image I have for 1 is hat. And Pokedex number 1 is Bulbasaur. So I'm going to mix hat and Bulbasaur. So it could be Bulbasaur wearing a hat. Imagine that image. So when I tell you 1, you remember, oh, a hat. But who's wearing a hat? Bulbasaur. You see a Bulbasaur wearing a hat. Now I have numbers from 0 to 99. And then I have themes for each 100 numbers. So for the first 100 numbers, in this case I'm also including 0 because it's from 0 to 99, that's 100 numbers. And then from 100 to 199, that's also 100 numbers. I have dinosaur for that. Okay. So yeah, that's essentially how I try to remember this a bit better. So I'm going to go through the list now and you'll see how it goes. So hat, Bulbasaur and hat. Okay, honey, I have Ivysaur. That's number 2. Number 3, I have Ham and I have Venusaur. Number 4, I have Hare and I have Charmander. Hail, Charmeleon. Hash, Charizard. Hook, Squirtle. Hoove, Wartortle. Hoop, Blastoise. Dice, I have a Caterpie or Caterpie. Tut, I have Metapod. 10, Butterfree. No, this is 13 is Dome. Dome, Weedle. Tire, Kakuna. And then this is Tile, Beedrill. Dish, Pidgey. Tack, Pidgeotto. Dove, Pidgeot. And then this is Tub, Rattata. And then I have Noz, which is Raticate. Nut, Spearow. Neon, could be Neon Lights, Fearow. Gnome, Ekans. Nor, Arbok. Nail, Pikachu. Naja, Raichu. Nog, Sandshrew. Knife, Sandslash. Nap, Nidoran, female. Moose, Nidorina. Matt, Nidoqueen. And then 32, Moon, Nidoran. And then Mime, 33, Nidorino. Mare, Nidoking. 35 with male. And that's so like an email or a mail. That's Clefairy. Match, we have Clefable. And then Mug, I have Vulpix. And then Muff, I have Ninetales. 39 is Mop, I have Jigglypuff. And then 40 is Rose, and I have Wigglytuff. And then 41 is Rat, and I have Zubat. 42 is Rhino, I have Golbat. 43 is Rim, I have Oddish. And then 44 is Rhea, and I have Gloom. 45 is Rail, and I have Vileplume. 46 is Roach, Paris. 47 is rock. I have parasect. 48 is roof, Venognat. 49 is rope, Venomoth. 50 is lace, and I have Diglett. 51 is lid, I have Duck Trio. Lion, I have Meowth. Lime, I have Persian. Lyrae is kind of like a hop, I have Psyduck. 55 Liddy, the flower, I have Golduck. 56 is leash, and I have Mankey. 57 is lock, I have Primeape. 58 is leaf, Growlithe. Lip, I have Arcanine. And then this is Jazz, I have Poliwag. Jet, I have Poliwhirl. And then Shin, I have Poliwrath, that's 62. 63 is Gem, I have Abra. Jar, 64, I have Kadabra. And then 65 is Jo, I have Alakazam. 66 is Judge, I have Machop. 67 is Jack, I have Machoke. 68 is Jif, I have Machamp. 69 is Ship, I have Bellsprout. 70 is Case, I have Weeping Bell. 71 is Cat, I have Victory Bell. 72 is Cane, I have Tentacool. 73 is Gum, I have Tentacruel. 74 is Car, I have Geodude. 75 is Coil, I have Graveler. 76 is Cash, I have Golem. 77 is Cake, I have Ponyta. 78 is Cuff, I have Rapidash. 79 is Cup, I have Slowpoke. 80 is Vase, I have Slowbro. 81 is Foot, I have Magnemite. 82 is Fan, I have Magneton. 83 is Foam, I have Farfetch'd. 84 is Fro, I have Dodrio. And then 85 is Foil, I have Dodrio. 86 is Fish, I have Seal. 87 is Fig, I have Dugong, it's kind of like a biscuit. And then 88, I have FIFA, Grimer. 89 is Fipple, it's kind of like instrument, like a flute. Muck. And then 90 is Bus, I have Shaldo. 91 is Bat, I have Cloyster. 92 is Bone, I have Ghastly. 93 is Bomb, I have Haunter. 94 is Bar, and I have Gengar. 95 is Boar, I have Onyx. 96 I have Bush, I have Drowsy. 97 is Puck, I have it's kind of like a hockey stick, I have Hypno. 98 I have Beef, which is Krabby. 99 I have Pipe, which is Kingler. And then that's it for the first 100. Well, it's actually 99 because there's no Pokemon for Pokedex number 0, but I do have a number for number 0. For example, number 0 I have House, but 100 is the first number of the dinosaur theme. So a dinosaur house, I have 100, and that is Voltorb. And then dinosaur hat, so a dinosaur hat could be a dinosaur wearing a hat and then Electrode on the top, or Electrode wearing a hat on a dinosaur. And the dinosaur could be your favorite dinosaur. Try to have a single dinosaur across the theme, or you can have different types of dinosaur if that makes you remember it better. Okay, so that's what I have, but let me just try and finish up until the end of Kanto. So 102 I have Dinosaur Honey, which is Execute. And then I have Dinosaur Ham, which is Executor. 104 I have Dinosaur Hair, which is Cubone. And then 105, which is Dinosaur Hail, I have Marowak. Dinosaur Hash, I have Hitmonlee. Dinosaur Hook, I have Hitmonchan. 108 I have Dinosaur Hoove, which is Licky Tongue. Dinosaur Hoop. 109, which is Coughing. 110 is Dinosaur Dice, which is Wheezing. I have Dinosaur Tut. 111, which is Rhyhorn. 112 is Dinosaur Tin, which is Rhydon. And then 113 is Dinosaur Dome, which is Chansey. 114 is Dinosaur Tire, which is Tangela. 115 is Dinosaur Tile, which is Kangaskhan. And then 116 is Dinosaur Dish, which is Horsey. And then 117 is Dinosaur Tech, which is Seadra. 118 is dinosaur dove, which is Goldeen. 119 is dinosaur tub, which is Sea King. And then 120 is dinosaur Noz, which is Staryu. And then 121 is dinosaur Nut, which is Stormy. And then dinosaur Neon, which is 122. We have Mr. Mime. And then dinosaur Gnome, 123, we have Skyther. And then dinosaur Nord, 124, we have Jinx. Dinosaur Nail, we have 125, which is Electabuzz. 126, dinosaur Naja, which is Magmar. And then dinosaur Nog, 127, we have Pinsir. 128, dinosaur Knife, we have Tauros. And then dinosaur Nap, we have 129, Magikarp. 130 is dinosaur Moose, we have Gyarados. Dinosaur Mat, 131 is Lapras. And then 132 is dinosaur Moon, we have Ditto. And then we have dinosaur Mime, we have Eevee, 133. 134 is dinosaur Mare, which is kind of like a horse. That's Vaporeon. 135 dinosaur Male is Jolteon. Dinosaur Match, 136 Flareon. Dinosaur Mug is 137 Porygon. Dinosaur Muff, we have Omanite. 139 dinosaur Mop, we have Omar Star. 140 is dinosaur Rose, which is Kabuto. 141 is dinosaur Rat, which is Kabutops. Dinosaur Rhino, Aerodactyl. 142. 143 is dinosaur Rim, we have Snorlax. And then 144 dinosaur Rhea, we have Articuno. And then dinosaur Rayo, 145, we have Zapdos. And then 146 dinosaur Roach, we have Moltres. And then 147 dinosaur Rock, we have Dratini. And then dinosaur Roof, we have Dragon Air. 148. And then 149 is dinosaur Rope, which is Dragonite. Okay, and then dinosaur 150. Okay, 150 is dinosaur Lace, which is Mewtwo. And then 151, last Pokemon of the country region, is dinosaur Lid. And I have Mew. Okay, that sums it up for the 151 Pokemons and the words and the images I have associated with each of them. So let's try this quickly. 125 dinosaur Nail, that's Electabuzz. Okay, catch you next one.